Let me explain something. The needle is moving in this direction to infinity. Too much resistance. That's good. If the needle is going here to 0, it's because no resistance. The winding is not good. When the needle is going here, here is 800 mega ohms, millions of ohms. 1000 mega ohms. Or here is infinite. If the needle is going more than 1000 mega ohms, it's good. If the needle is here in 500, in 200, in 0, less than 1000 is not good. Of course, if it's 0, it's in short. That's okay? All right. We are going to check if the needle is going here or if the needle is going here to 1000 or more. Less than 1000 is not good. Okay. Let me show you something. Here is infinite. Infinite is over there. And 0 is here. Pretty close to infinite is 1000. I am going to crank it. Stay in 0. That winding is out. I have 2 windings. Somebody can help me holding that. Somebody hold it.
Take care. Is he short? Hey, he need gloves.
Okay, one face is not good, and the other face also in short. Both faces out. We are going to check the other generator. One with the ground and the other one with the face. That's okay, guys?
Or you'll get shot.
0. Out. Let me check. No, when they finish, they move it. It's during the cranking. It's during the cranking. And the other face. Go to 0 immediately. You see? Infinite is over there. 0 is here. Let me demonstrate with the other one, with the digital, that it's not good. One is negative, and I put in the scale for 250 volts. It's supposed that those lines are for 240. I'm going to put 250. And I am going to check, you see? 32 mega ohms. That's nothing. It should be 1000 or higher. And that one is 33 mega ohms. More precision. The other one goes to 0 because don't read.